Hey everyone, in anticipation of IFA 2024, Acer has introduced its latest tablet offering, the Iconia X12. Developed with both productivity and entertainment in mind, the Iconia X12 boasts a sleek appearance, a powerful processor, and a host of features that set it apart from its predecessors, notably the Acer Iconia Tab P10. The Iconia X12 comes equipped with a 12.6-inch 2.5K AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals that enhance both work and play experiences. The tablet's slim profile, measuring just 6.7mm, makes it highly portable without sacrificing performance. Under the hood, the Iconia X12 is powered by the Helio G99 processor, coupled with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and up to 256GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and the ability to handle demanding applications with ease. Audio experiences are elevated with a quad-speaker setup, providing immersive stereo sound that's perfect for media consumption. The tablet also features a 13MP autofocus rear camera with flash, and an 8MP front camera, catering to photography enthusiasts and those who frequently engage in video calls. Additional features include a 10,000 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities, ensuring prolonged use without frequent recharging. Connectivity options are robust, offering dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microSD card slot, expandable up to 1TB. The tablet runs on Android 14, providing users with the latest in Android features and security updates. To complement the tablet's capabilities, Acer has introduced several peripherals. A detachable Bluetooth keyboard with an integrated trackpad, transforming the tablet into a mini workstation. An aluminum stylus pen, ideal for note-taking, drawing, or precise navigation. A portfolio case featuring a stylus slot and an adjustable stand, offering protection and convenience. When compared to the previous generation Acer Iconia Tab P10, the Iconia X12 represents a significant upgrade in several areas. Display. The Iconia Tab P10 features a 10.4-inch IPS display, with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, and a brightness of 350 nits. The Iconia X12, on the other hand, offers a larger 12.6-inch 2.5K AMOLED display, providing better color accuracy, higher resolution, and improved brightness. Performance. The Tab P10 is powered by the Companion 500 platform, with an octa-core MediaTek M8183C processor, and up to 6GB of RAM. The Iconia X12's Helio G99 processor and 8GB of RAM offer enhanced performance and better handling of intensive tasks. Storage. While both tablets offer expandable storage via microSD, the Iconia X12 provides up to 256GB of internal storage, compared to the Tab P10's maximum of 128GB. Battery. The Iconia Tab P10 comes with a 6000 mAh battery, capable of up to 10.5 hours of video playback. The Iconia X12 significantly ups the ante with a 10,000 mAh battery, promising longer usage times and faster charging. Cameras. The Tab P10 includes an 8MP main camera and a 5MP front camera. The Iconia X12 improves on this with a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera, both offering better image quality and additional features like autofocus and flash. Acer has priced the Iconia X12 competitively at $349. The tablet is expected to be available starting January 2025 in China, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, and North America. In related news, Red Magic is set to release two gaming tablets, featuring 10.9-inch and 12.4-inch screens. Both models share a similar appearance aesthetic, including a 50MP rear camera, RGB lighting, and two color options: deuterium transparent silver wing and dark night. The 10.9-inch model is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, a 2.8K LCD display, and a 144Hz refresh rate, catering specifically to gaming enthusiasts seeking high-performance devices. The 12.4-inch variant is anticipated to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and a larger battery, offering a balance between performance and longevity. The Acer Iconia X12 represents a significant step forward from the Iconia Tab P10, offering enhanced features that cater to both productivity and entertainment needs. With its competitive pricing and robust specifications, it positions itself as a strong contender in the tablet market. As Acer and competitors like Red Magic continue to innovate, consumers can look forward to more advanced and versatile tablet options in the near future. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.